good, huh?
Let's try that again.
Try that again? What are you talking? Look, you got brought a leaf with you.
Yeah.
Is this as cool as Legos?
Yeah.
It is.
Yeah.
See, Daddy doesn't. This is what Daddy likes to do. It has to go fast. It has all. There's Mommy right there. I know she didn't go in the house. She's out watching the fun.